Hey guys, it's been a while since I've done a video, but I'm out here at Jason's shop. That's his paint shop, and ahead of me when I flip the camera around, this is going to be 1137 Customs, where we have one of our members' Mazda trucks that we're going to take it all the way down to the frame and build it back up better than new. So let me flip the camera around and get you up to date. Oh, I'm gonna have to handheld this camera today. Okay, so this is Chris Cummins' truck. It's a 1987 Mazda B2000. So here's the engine. It got pulled. It's been here a week, and a lot has already happened to the truck. The engine got pulled. Josh, he's in here in the back, checking out the heater core. And he has done all of this. He's pulled the motor, he's cleaned up a lot of the engine bay, got all the wiring that's not going to be used ready to chunk, labeled a lot of parts, got a lot of the interior parts, kept up with a lot of AC components and brake components. Sorry for the fan noise. Here's your wiring loom. He's going to go through that and get rid of what we don't need and rewire the loom and retape it. And I was just here yesterday, and it had the dash and the heater core and the carpet, and then here today it's all out, looking good, looking really good. So soon the cab will come off because we're doing a frame up restoration. That's Josh. He's doing all electrical and Mazda stuff. The worst part of the truck was the rear. A lot of frame rust, and the bed was rusted out, but it's going to get a lot of new stuff, new parts, new frame, rear. Going to get airbagged. Lots to come. So maybe I'll do an update video once a week and track the progress of this truck. So today, let's see, we got the back window out and took both side door glasses out. Got the weather stripping off and the mirrors off. And we're going to do the headliner soon. I hope I can get in on the video of that to show you guys how to do it. But this little project truck is coming along. Of course, like I said earlier in the video, the frame has been removed. And it's been took apart pretty quickly this week. Alright, so stay tuned and subscribe to the channel for more updates.